Okay, guys. Good morning, everyone. May I audible? Hello.
You are audible, madam.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Okay. Today, our topic: interrelationship involving unit weight, grain specific gravity, void ratio, and degree of saturation. Okay. So first of all, we can solve the unit weight gamma. First, what is the unit weight density? Density formula equal to gamma is equal to W by V. Weight by volume. Density is equal to weight by volume. So gamma is equal to W by V. Next, what is W? W. Total weight is equal to, we can written as total weight is equal to weight of solid plus weight of water. So you can substitute weight of solid plus weight of water, and weight of air A is equal to 0. That's why you can substitute weight of solid plus weight of water by total volume is equal to volume of voids plus volume of solid. Volume of voids plus volume of solid. So that is equal to volume of voids plus volume of solid. Next, the next step, common weight of solid, that is equal to 1 plus weight of solid, weight of water by weight of solid by volume of solid common 1 plus volume of voids by volume of solids. Volume of voids by volume of solids. Please note down, all of you. Take your notebook and note down each and every step. So why? Because of today objective questions will be sent to your chat box. In that I have to give 2 questions. So 2 problems, short answers. So each question carries 2 marks. So how to just direct formula in yesterday class and today class. So please listen carefully. Next, weight of water by weight of solid. What is this term? Weight of water by weight of solid. We can substitute any term in the place of weight of water by weight of solid.
Water content.
Yes, very good. So water content, we can, in this place, we can substitute as W, that is equal to water content. Next, volume of voids by volume of solids means
Void ratio, ma'am.
void ratio. Good. Good response. Thank you, guys. That is equal to void ratio. So we can substitute in the place of weight of water by weight of solid. In the place we can substitute water content, and here we can substitute void ratio E. And weight of solid by volume of solid means
Density of solids.
density of solids. In density of solids also we can written as
Gravity into specific gravity into density of
water.
unit weight of water.
Yes, yes, very good, very good. So directly I will substitute here. Gamma is equal to, in the place of weight of solids to the volume of solids is called as unit weight of solid, density of solid. In the place of density of solids also we can written as specific gravity into unit weight of water. So directly I will written as G into gamma W. G into gamma W. Next, 1 plus W by 1 plus E. 1 plus W by 1 plus E. So the above equation changed as G into gamma W into 1 plus W by 1 plus E. That means water content, void ratio, specific gravity, unit weight of water. What is the value of unit weight of water?
One gram per cc.
Otherwise,
9.81 kilonewton per meter cube.
excellent, excellent. Very good. So we can multiply with G. So G plus W into G by 1 plus in numerator we can multiply with G. So into gamma W. Gamma W. No place. So G plus W into G by 1 plus C into gamma W. Already we can know that in yesterday class we can solve water content, specific gravity, void ratio and saturation condition. The relationship between these four. So in the place of this W into G we can substitute. In yesterday class you are solving one relationship. What is that? 4 relationships between water content, specific gravity, void ratio and saturation. W into G is equal to E into S. So in the place of W into G we can substitute as E into S. That means in the place of water content, specific gravity you can written as void ratio and saturation. So we can substitute in the place of W into G we can written as a E into S. So gamma is equal to G plus W into G plus W into G by 1 plus E into gamma W. One plus E into gamma W. Students are coming very late. Please, we will give already 5 minutes, but in between the class we are disturbing. Gamma W. So W into, already you can know that W into G is equal to E into S. So we can substitute in the place of W into G. We are substituting E into S. So that is equal to G plus E into S by 1 plus E into gamma W. So here we have two conditions. One is saturation condition, one is dry condition. So in fully saturation condition, we can take as S is equal to, in fully saturation condition, we can take as S is equal to, what's the value?
1 or 100%.
Yes, 1. Saturation condition, S is equal to 1. Why? Because of overall voids filled by water only. So in saturation condition, we can take it as S is equal to 1. So this S is equal to 1 substitute in above equation. So we will get the above equation changed as G plus E by 1 plus E into gamma W. Okay, all of you clear? In the place of S, we can written as 1. So 1 G plus E by 1 plus E into gamma W. Next, in dry season, in dry condition, S is equal to
0, ma'am.
0. So the above equation changed as, tell me anyone?
G gamma
G by
W
1
by
plus A
1 plus
into
E.
rho W.
Yes. So G gamma W by 1 plus E. So that is equal to, gamma is equal to 1 plus E. G gamma W by 1 plus E. Next, another equation will be there. Submerged unit weight, gamma dash. What is formula for submerged unit weight, gamma dash? Submerged unit weight.
Saturated density minus density of water.
So, thank you. Thank you for your cooperation. So here, gamma dash is equal to, submerged unit weight is equal to saturated unit weight, gamma sat minus gamma W. So here, this one is saturated unit weight. I forgot it. Saturated, gamma saturation. So that means gamma suffix sat. Here, gamma dry. Why? Because of dry condition. This is saturation condition. So we will substitute gamma dash is equal to gamma sat minus gamma W. So gamma sat is equal to G plus C by 1 plus C into gamma W. So the equation can be changed as. So anyone can solve this one? Finally, we will get G plus C by,
Gamma W into GS plus E minus 1 by 1 plus E.
sorry, gamma
Gamma W into GS plus E minus 1 by 1 plus E.
GS plus 1 anana మీరు అన్నది.
GS plus E minus 1 by 1 plus E.
GS plus ఇదేనా
E.
నేను రాస్తున్నాను, E by 1 plus C into gamma W.
ఈ పక్కన మైనస్ 1 మేడం పైన
ఇక్కడ
న్యూమరేటర్లో E minus 1.
E minus
మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను మేడం. గామా W ఇంటూ GS plus E minus 1 by 1 plus E.
Is it correct? Once cross check nana. What equation will substitute here? Once cross check how this S came. Your equation G plus C by 1 plus C into gamma W will substitute this equation. G plus C by 1 plus C into gamma W. That's only, not this one. This is only unit weight only, not this equation. Saturation unit weight means G plus C by 1 plus C into gamma W. So we'll substitute this equation in the place of gamma sat. Now once again we'll try. Anybody remaining members? Otherwise, I will tell final equation. We will try that one. G minus 1 by 1 plus E into gamma W. This is final equation. Gamma submerged is equal to G minus 1 by 1 plus E into gamma W. Please anyone try this one? Anyone got final equation G minus 1 by 1 plus C into gamma W by solving this equation, this one? Yes, anyone please respond.
Correct only, madam. E cancel there.
Um,
E get cancel.
E cancel. So we'll get G minus 1 by 1 plus C into gamma W. So remaining members, what about remaining members? Okay, please solve these submerged unit weight after completion of our class. Please send to WhatsApp. Otherwise, any difficulty will be there. I will explain next class. Okay. Please, anyone, please respond. Vijeta, Akshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting that equation?
I'll solve it, ma'am. Afterwards, I'll send in WhatsApp group after solving this.
Okay, okay. Naveen, Neeraj, Ravali, Sahiti. Are you there, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please solve this one. This is very easy. Gamma dash is equal to gamma sat minus gamma W. Solve this one. Substitute this equation G plus C by 1 plus C into gamma W in the place of gamma sat. What about Bhavya?
I'll send ma'am afterwards. WhatsApp group లో పంపిస్తా.
Bhavana?
Ma'am, completed, ma'am.
Completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Same equation will get?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Please try all of you this one. Only one more step will be there. Finally, you will get G minus 1 by 1 plus C into gamma W. So, next one. All of you completed? All of you note down. Okay, this is another formula, important formulas. The one is gamma saturation. This is one formula. G plus C by 1 plus C into gamma W. This is one of the important. Another one is in dry condition. G gamma W by 1 plus C. This is another equation, two equations. Another one is gamma dash is equal to G minus 1 by 1 plus E. These three formulas. Next. So today in objective questions related to solving this equation gamma D is equal to gamma by 1 plus W. I will give two objective questions. That means short answer questions. Each question carries 2 marks. So in that we will solve the two problems, small problems, direct values given and substitute direct values in that. So here gamma D density, dry density is equal to weight of solid by total volume. Next, water content is equal to weight of water by weight of solid. So further, 1 plus W is equal to, by getting our equation, we'll choose some steps. 1 plus weight of water by weight of solid. That is equal to weight of solid plus weight of water by weight of solid. So weight of solid plus weight of water is equal to, you can make it as total weight. Total weight is W by weight of solid. 1 plus W. So finally, weight of solid is equal to weight by 1 plus water content. So substitute gamma D in equation. Gamma D is equal to weight of solid by total volume. So in the place of weight of solid, we can substitute this equation. One plus W. Weight by volume is equal to weight by volume density. So gamma D is equal to gamma by 1 plus W, water content. So this is our final equation. Gamma D is equal to gamma by 1 plus W. So here we will discuss gamma D is equal to gamma by 1 plus W. Wait 2 minutes. This is one equation. N is equal to 1 by E by 1 plus E. N is equal to E by 1 plus E. This is one equation. And E is equal to 1 N by 1 minus N. This is second equation. E is equal to N by 1 minus N. And third equation, W into G is equal to E into S, third equation. And fourth equation, this is fourth equation. And this is fifth equation, the gamma dry condition, G gamma W 1 plus C. And this is sixth equation, gamma dash is equal to G minus 1 by 1 plus C into gamma W. And this is another equation, gamma D is equal to gamma by 1 plus W. Overall 7. Okay, all of you clear? Okay, next, today we are going to discuss about one problem. All of you clear these 7 equations?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. By using these 7 equations, only we can use 2 equations for solving the objective questions. In our objective questions, only I will give only 8 questions. 8 questions. 2 questions carries 2 marks. That's why overall 10 questions. 8 questions carries 10 marks. So at the end of the class, I will send to your chat box as usually. That will be closed 11:30. 11:30, that link will be expelled. So all of you, please complete the task before 11:30. So the question is, all of you note down this question. A soil has bulk unit weight of 18 kilonewton per meter cube. If the water content of soil is 10%, estimate its dry unit weight. Model problem there in objective question also. That's why I will explain here. Soil has bulk unit weight 18 kilonewton per meter cube. And if the water content is 10%, estimate its dry unit weight. So already we can know that dry unit weight gamma D is equal to, already we have discussed before only, gamma D is equal to gamma by 1 plus W. Please, anyone can tell me answer. Just directly substitute in that formula. Bulk unit weight gamma is equal to 18 N by 1 plus W. W, that means water content percentage. 10% is equal to 0.1. So finally we will get, what is the answer?
16.36 kilonewton per meter cube.
Okay, very good, very good. So here directly we can substitute 18 by 1 plus water content will be in percentage now, so we'll change it as 0.1. So units, what's the units?
kilonewton per meter cube, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Kilonewton per meter cube, ma'am.
Kilonewton per meter cube. So this type of question carries in short answer question 2 marks. Okay. Next, this is your objective question. Remaining 5 minutes will be there. After 5 minutes, after completion of another problem, I will send to your chat box. Okay. Next, a soil has porosity. The next question, please all of you note down direct question. Otherwise, you will write given data and complete our problem. So first of all, these terms will be very important. I will write here directly n is equal 40%. But here in our problem given directly porosity. What is porosity? Porosity means what's the term? Either E or N or G, whatever may be. So first of all, you learn the definitions. Okay. Porosity means, what is porosity? Porosity is equal to N or E. So porosity is equal to N. N is equal to 40%. And here directly given specific gravity. Specific gravity is equal to the term indicated as specific gravity. G is equal to 2.67. So first of all, read out the problem very carefully. After we will write given data in this way only. Write given data and porosity N is equal to 40%. Specific gravity G is equal to 2.67 and estimates its dry unit weight. Assume unit weight of water as 10 kilonewton per meter cube. Here unit weight of water will be given, gamma W. Some cases it is not given. Gamma W is equal to 10 kilonewton per meter cube. Some cases it is not given. So in that cases we can take as 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube or 1 gram per cc. Please anybody can tell answer. Gamma D is equal G gamma W by 1 plus C.
19.07, ma'am.
19.07. In the place of E, what is the value?
16.08.
A 16 answer will be correct, but Bhavya, your answer wrong. Once cross check. What is E value?
Okay, ma'am.
What is E value?
0.4, ma'am.
0.66.
Bhavya, here porosity N is equal to 40%, Nana, but you are not the substitute here. Void ratio E is equal to another formula will be there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you are substituting directly in the place of void ratio. You will substitute 0.4, I think. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
But that's wrong. So here void ratio E is equal to what's the formula?
N by 1 minus N.
So we will substitute here only 0.4. 0.4 by 1 minus 0.4. So we will get 0.66.
0.66.
So in the place of void ratio, we will substitute 0.66. Already specific gravity value will be there, 2.67 into 9.81. So here given 10 by 1 plus 0.66. So our value 16.
16.08.
Yeah. Units?
Kilonewton per meter cube.
Yeah, units also very important. Like this way we will solve the problems. This is only example problems for your idea purpose. Next further classes we'll discuss. Okay, are you clear, all of you? That's why depend upon given data you will choose these equations. This is the basic equation. E is equal to N by 1 minus N. Okay. Okay, 5 minutes left. I will forward to object to link to chat box. All of you please note down that one. Okay. Okay, guys, go through chat box. I will send the Google form. Please open. If any difficulty, once inform me. Please go through your chat box. It consists of 8 questions. Please once cross check. Link will be open or not. Any difficulty, please once inform me. Yes, link will be open or not. Any difficulty? Anyone? Please respond.
Is open, ma'am. No difficulty.
No difficulty. Okay. Let's carry on. 2 short problems will be there. And remaining things are only theory. So before 11:30, we'll submit the. Okay, guys, anyone submitted? Yes, any difficulty? Okay guys, thank you for your cooperation. Time will be over.